Families fighting to stay together, protesting the possible deportation of loved ones. And today, a key hearing could decide if they stay or go. Local 4's Nick Monticelli is live for us this morning in downtown Detroit to explain why today is so important for these families, Nick.
Everett, good morning to you. Today is actually important because it may push back the scheduled deportation. Whether or not they're going to stay or go is going to be a much longer conversation. But this federal hearing has been a long time in the making, and this hearing is specifically on whether or not they will hold these deportations for now anyway, because they are scheduled for July 24th. They're also going to talk about possibly separating the cases here in a federal building, because as of right now, everything is lumped into one, and attorneys say they want these individuals to argue their cases on a case-by-case basis. All of this after a court hearing yesterday in Pontiac played out that for one man could change the game.
I never imagined anything like this because this happened before I was born.
12-year-old Liliana Buttress stands with her entire family outside a Pontiac courtroom just minutes after a judge gave them a glimmer of hope that their father, Hadar Buttress, might not have to be deported.
And he comes to me crying every night saying, "Oh, when is Daddy coming home?" How am I supposed to answer that?
Buttress is one of the more than 100 Iraqi immigrants facing deportation on the 24th. They were swept up under new federal enforcement, looking at prior convictions and deporting those who have been convicted of crimes. Buttress sold marijuana as a teenager
and has been crime-free and productive in the Chaldean Church since 1999. This is the only issue he's ever had since he was a teenager.
All right.
Yesterday, an Oakland County judge agreed to look at his case again. Apparently, many of those set for deportation didn't realize pleading guilty as part of an offer could later get them deported.
You have to treat the underlying conviction before you get to the immigration court.
And that immigration court, federal court, is where another hearing is today. Tuesday, a federal judge determined he had jurisdiction in these immigration cases, and now he'll listen to arguments hoping to put a hold on all the deportations, which again are set for the 24th.
Between yesterday's decision and today's decision, I think the entire Chaldean community, including Mr. Buttress's family, is very optimistic.
Now, that attorney that you heard from said that he filed 24 cases just like the one in Pontiac yesterday, trying to get judges to re-examine the first convictions, the first plea offers that they took. They'll see if they can try to get those situations resolved and maybe have some kind of ammunition to come here into federal court. We're live here in downtown. Nick Monticelli, Local 4 News today.
And so, Nick, obviously this affects a lot of people waiting for this decision. Do we have a timeline just yet as to when it will be made?
Not just yet, and it really is up to the judge in this case. He issues, or he goes ahead and puts out a written decision after every hearing. The first one took 36 hours. The next one took about a week or so. You can bet with the amount of argument in this case is probably going to be the longer version. However, they want to have that before the 24th because that's when the deportations are set to happen.
Right. Those families will be watching and waiting. Nick, thank you.